Hey, what's up, Spartans? It's Green Sparta here, and today I'm going to be doing a cooking show. And so, yeah, I already have the steak cooker grill on, have the rice cooker on, so you can see, rice cooker, okay, rice cooker, yeah, okay, I have my steak griller, got my Assassin's Creed hat, not sponsoring, well, maybe. But anyways, where's my knife? Find my knife. Okay. Be careful with these. These things are sharp. You just cut it. So. Like so. Like so. Ta-da! Okay. So I'm gonna turn these. Okay. I already washed my hands. Just holding it. Okay. So first staker. Okay. Put it on the grill. Second staker. Come on, steak. Silly steaks. Put it on the grill. Okay. Knife. Okay. Sorry. Come on. Open. Pretty sharp. Like, really. Could just cut my skin right now. That would hurt. And... oh, no, wrong way. There we go. Okay. So, open. There. Third sticky. Mr. Sticker. Put that on the grill. On the grill now. And the final steak. Now, we put the seasoning. Montreal steak. Not sponsoring. Okay. Yes. Steaks grill. Yes. Beautiful. And done. Probably didn't see that. I'm going to give you a closer look. Boom, beautiful grilled steak. Yep, I'm gonna add some sauce. Trying to find my sauce. Where did I put that silly sauce? I found it. Worcestershire sauce. Don't know how to say that. I'm just gonna say it now. Can't open it. 1 second. I need to put you down. There we go. All in the help of 2 hands. Let's put some on my grill. Put some like that. Put some like that. There we go. Here we go. Good and ready. Put the sauce back. I'm probably going to get a new camera soon, so don't worry about my iPhone. Anyways, put the sauce back. Season of steak. Set it to a 3. Not saying that that's a magical number, but actually I wanted a 4. Yeah. Whew, that's hot. Seeing if it wasn't doing anything. Okay, rice, check it. How you doing, rice? Okay, rice is good. Just need to give it a little stir. Stirring rice. Oh, if you didn't know, what I'm stirring with is my rice stir. Yes, my rice stir. I think I just put this on. There we go. Okay. Steaks are cooking nice. Nice cooking steaks. Delicious. I'm weird, if you haven't noticed. So, when I make other videos, you're gonna see me acting weird. So yeah, sorry for the weirdness. Yeah. Okay. Bag of rice. Dang it. Okay, back. Sorry. Rice is messed up. Anyways, so steak's doing good, as you can see. Steak, licking mighty fresh. And so yeah, now I have to watch the steaks cook, I guess, for now. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So if you enjoyed that video, hit the thumbs up. Sorry, wait, there, hit the thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Check out Instagram, probably going to be down below. So, yeah. Goodbye. Welcome back, Spartans, to Green Sparta's cooking. Okay, I'm going to flip the steaks with this fork flipper. One steak done. Sizzle. Flip the next. Second steak. Done. Third staker. Done. Fourth and final staker. No, flip. I did it. Now results. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I must stir the rice. Stir. They don't look good. Oh well. Okay. Steaks are good. I'll use that later. So yeah.